All right, what is going on, everyone? It is me, attorney Hadi Harp, and today I want to talk about bank accounts. All right, bank accounts is one of the things that people can take a proactive step to make sure that your banking doesn't have to go through the probate process. All right, um, for people who don't want to set up a trust, you can still minimize the things that go through probate by setting up beneficiary designations or pay on death designations. And typically, most banks now have that option when you open up an account. Okay. Whether you're opening up an account or if you have an existing account, they should be able to add a pay on death or transfer on death beneficiary designation. What this really is you telling the bank, hey, when I pass away, I want you to give my account proceeds to my wife or my son or my daughter or my neighbor, whoever it is, you can list them. It would be similar to taking out an insurance policy. When you take out an insurance policy for life insurance, you have a beneficiary. That beneficiary can be whoever you want. The same thing can apply to your bank account. So if you're thinking about setting up your estate plan, if you're in the middle of it, or if you haven't even thought about it at all, this is one way to avoid having that account go through the probate process. Now, it's not going to solve all your problems because you still may need to set up a trust. You're still going to need a will. You're still going to want a power of attorney for your healthcare decision makers and your financial decision makers. So there's still a lot going on to estate planning, but this one slice of things can be more straightforward than you think, and it could save your family a lot of headache down the line. All right, so that's today's video. Hope you learned something. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you next time.